Hey there, sunshine. So today I have an Ulta haul to share with you guys, and I am so sorry that I'm talking quieter than I normally do. It is currently 3 o'clock in the morning and everybody else is sleeping, but I'm like, hey, what a great time to film. Am I right? Okay, so today I have a super duper duper late Ulta haul to share with you guys. Honestly, I will be 100% with you. It's May, the second week of May. I went shopping for this stuff the week before my birthday, so this wasn't even really my birthday shopping. Like, I didn't do birthday makeup shopping. And guess who forgot to redeem their birthday gift at Ulta? I would have gotten a full-size Tarte lipstick, but whatever. This honestly has been sitting there. I'm like, I can't use any of the products in here because I need to show everybody, but I keep putting it off because I've been so busy. But guess what I'm finally getting around to? Yes. Okay, so honestly, if you're here to know pricing, I don't have the receipt. This is kind of just like, hey guys, look what I got. Okay, so I got some color oops. I got color oops because here's what happened. I bleached my hair. Okay, hold on, not the true story. I did color oops over my red, and then I put in Manic Panic purple for brunettes. Loved it. And then I was like, wait, I want it a little bit brighter, so then I bleached my hair, and then I used the Manic Panic, and I was like, I like it a whole bunch. But it literally washed out within like a week, which was very different than how I wore it with my dark brown hair. So then I was like, I'll just put Arctic Fox over top in, and I've had this Arctic Fox in for like almost a month now, and I've been very, very happy with it. But I do want to go ahead, and my next round I'll be doing color oops, and then bleach, and then putting in like a different shade. I might even put in like green or a different shade of purple. At this point, I don't even know. But that's why I got the color oops, and I'm so sorry I just kicked you out, guys, but that's why I got the color oops, so I can keep experimenting with my hair color, because I finally got my purple, and that just feels like me living my best life. Okay, the next thing that I bought, I'm so excited. Oh, look, a receipt. Oh my god, I spent $210 on what? You'll see. Okay, I'm so excited about this. When I went shopping there, the Ulta was like redoing itself. Like, it was like restocking and putting in a new brand, and they put in I Heart Revolution, and they only ever had Makeup Revolution there, so I was so stoked to see that they had put in I Heart Revolution. They had different scented setting sprays there, and there were so many, and I was like, I'm just gonna go with this peaches and cream makeup fixing spray, and I've used this several times, and it literally just smelled, I don't know why I sprayed it, and I was like spraying it like, oh, they'll be able to smell it, and I'm like, no, they won't. But I was hoping that you would, but this smells so amazing. Usually I find that these types of things literally are like scented, like too perfumey or too like powdery, and they're super overwhelming, but this literally smells like fresh peaches. And in the times that I have used it, I do feel like it sets my makeup really well. I just hope that they like stock in like an illuminating and a mattifying setting spray that has that scent to it, if that makes any sense. Okay, let's see what else I got. Oh, I got nails. I got nails there. I have never gone to a salon to get my nails done. So I've only ever like bought and put them on myself. So here's a set that I got. If you guys can't tell, I'm like obsessed with purple, and I don't even know why, because I honestly would say that my favorite color is like pink and black. Like, those are my two favorite colors, so I don't even feel like purple but I love wearing it, so who even knows. Okay, story time. I bought more Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I bought this because as I was filming my last Ulta haul, I literally dropped my butter bronzer because I had too much stuff on my table from like putting everything aside to do the haul. And I literally dropped my butter bronzer and I shattered it, and I tried to fix it, and it was just a hot mess. So I was like, I really like it, so I need some more. So I bought some more, and I love that bronzer. I have been like dipping into this bag to like use products, but I put everything back because I'm like, oh, I gotta show everybody. Okay, I also bought, they have not had this in stock for like every time that I go to Ulta. This is the Makeup Revolution Jelly Highlighter. Not that you guys can see that, but there you go, Jelly Highlighter. This is in shade Monumental. That's what shade it is. But basically, look, it's just like jelly highlighter, and then you just got a little bit of highlighter on here. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, camera. Oh my gosh, and it's so pretty. And I just wanted to play around with this. I feel like since summer is coming up, I'm like, yeah, we can totally use that like on my shoulders and stuff like that, or like underneath my foundation. So I was really glad. This is the only, what the hell? What are we doing here, camera? This was the only color that they had left in stock. Like they had like a rose gold color too, but that one was all sold out. So I was only able to get my hands on the gold one, which I'm so even excited about. And then when I went to Ulta, I went to a different Ulta. They had the rose gold one in stock, so I picked up that too. And I'll just show you guys that really quick. So, ooh, so pretty. Boom. Why does my camera never works with highlighter? I'm just gonna stick that over here. Oh my gosh, what if I turn down my lighting? That would probably work. Oh my god, yes. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. These aren't scented, which I like. And I really like these. I feel like they're gonna be so pretty to like put under like foil eyeshadows. Well, this one I think would be very pretty to put like under like foil eyeshadows and stuff. Okay. I also re-bought the Ulta Beauty Watermelon Sleeping Mask. I have this to thank for my skin clearing up like a lot. Like a lot of the moisturizers that I use really clog up my pores, and I like break out really bad after it. This smells so amazing. This is $8. Please go buy yourself this. Literally, it leaves my skin feeling so hydrated, and I can just put it on and sleep with it, and I don't wake up like broken out the next morning. It smells amazing. It's cheap. Literally one bottle has lasted me. I use it twice a day because I'll use it in the morning, and I won't put on makeup. I'll just like put that on, like have my face clean, put that on, and I'll get going with my day. I will use this twice a day, and this one jar has lasted me a month. So for $8, it's so cheap considering how much I was able to get out of it. It don't really like, it doesn't like feel greasy on my skin. It just like absorbs in really quickly, and just kind of is like, yeah, I'm your friend, and I'm here to hydrate your skin and not leave like icky grease laying around. It's so amazing, and I can't wait to try the Ulta Beauty setting sprays. Okay. I also bought while I was like, okay, so how this happened was I needed to get home at like a certain time. I needed to be home at like 4:30 because I had we had family dinner planned. So I was like, okay. So when I got to Ulta, it was like 3:50, and we were like half an hour away. So it was like time shopping. I just literally just started throwing stuff in my bag, and as I like was waiting at the checkout, I threw some like extra, but you know how they have the little stands on the side, and you can just have like the expensive makeup and some like skincare. I literally was just throwing stuff in my bag. So I finally decided to try the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have been loving this, and I can't wait to buy a full size. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on anything, let me know in the comment section down below, because I would love to do that. I would love to show you, like, if you guys are interested in seeing if this works, even though I know I'm like a year late to the game, and everyone's like, yeah, it's the world's best concealer. I'm like, is it really? And I tried it, and I was like, okay, I agree. Okay, I also bought a new foundation from LA Girl. This was the Pro Matte HD Lightweight Foundation. I have not tried this out, so I don't know if it's any good. I don't know if it color matches my skin at all, but I am wearing another LA Girl foundation right now. And in the bottle, it looks really yellow, but on my skin, it doesn't. So it looks really good on my skin. I mean, I've been wearing this for like at least 12 hours now, so I'm not gonna do that math. And when I went shopping, I wanted to go in the high-end section, but there were so many people over there, so I was like, I'm just gonna stick to Drugstore for today. Okay, I also bought this highlighter and contour palette from I Heart Revolution, and this is the Bronze and Glow palette, and I can't open it. Okay, I'm just here to say I'm so excited to try this out. I do think the contour shade will be a little too cool for my skin. I'm so sorry. I just filmed another unboxing, and I just forgot to bring makeup wipes, so I was like, okay, whatever. And then I'm so sorry I keep wiping my nose. My spring allergies are like, hey, guess what? We're back to like make your life miserable. Okay, so this highlighter, yes, I'm here for Drugstore. I'm here for Drugstore products. Like, yes. And then here's the contour. They said bronze, but it's really, honestly, whatever you want to call it. I'm just here for like pretty makeup and everything like that. I think this was like $6, and I grabbed the last one. I was so excited about it. So yeah, okay. So I'm always looking for like something I can just throw in my purse and like touch up my makeup when I'm doing photo shoots and stuff like that. So I was like, maybe this will work for me. And after swatching it, I was like, yeah, this is gonna work for me. Okay, so we just have a couple more things in here. I bought a matte liquid, a matte lipstick, and I think this is in Velvet Teddy. I miss my Velvet Teddy. I literally used the entire thing up. That has never happened to me before. I've never used an entire lipstick, but this is like their best-selling shade, I think. And this isn't a full-size MAC lipstick. This is a mini travel size one. I can't get the bag open right now. I was going to show you guys what the shade looked like, but I literally cannot get the bag open. Okay, so then I literally just have like a bunch more lipsticks besides this concealer. I bought this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I like their concealer. It's like a whole bunch. There's like $2 or $3 for concealer. They actually do a really good job of like concealing. Like I would say it's comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. Maybe I should do like a versus, like Tarte Shape Tape versus the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Ooh, should I try that? Let me know in the comment section down below. And then I bought lipsticks. I bought this liquid catsuit liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, and this is in shade Behind the Bleachers. The Ulta, when I went there, they were like, they had so many lipsticks that like my local Walmart doesn't normally carry, but I was like, yeah, and they didn't have swatches for these, so I really kind of was like guessing, but I'm here. I love that color. That color's so pretty. I'm so excited to use all this new makeup. And then I got this matte liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution, and it doesn't have any sort, oh yes it does. It says matte, it's in shade Matte Brunch. I've never tried out their liquid lipsticks. It kind of smells like vanilla, so I have no idea if they're any good or not, but I'm always here. I need to find like a warm tone brown. Like I wanted to wear warm tone brown with this eye makeup, but I don't have one, so I just put on this cool tone brown. I was like, whatever. That's really pretty. Okay, and then I bought these two liquid lipsticks, also from Wet n Wild, but it's gonna take me a hot second to open them. Okay, I'm back from opening up all of my lipsticks. It literally took me 5 minutes, but I have Velvet Teddy here for any of you guys that are curious. I honestly, like, I would wear this color, well, when I had it, I wore this color constantly, but it's so pretty, and I feel like honestly, I was not prepared for, like, the wear of MAC lipsticks. Like, I really tried Russian Red and then this color, Velvet Teddy, and they stayed way longer than I expected them to. I was honestly shocked. I was like, okay, now I understand why you guys are charging $20 lipstick. Like, I'm not mad because it's such a gorgeous color, but the last and then like matte, and it just feels so nice in your lips. I was like, oh, wow. Okay, then I have these two. This shade right here is Toffee Talk, and this right here is Missy and Fierce, and I've been looking for like a bright baddie red lipstick, so I really hope that this is what that's going to be. Let me like smooth out my hand so I can get a nice swatch. Yeah, that's a gorgeous red. I do think I'll probably have problems with it transferring, but like, do you like how high quality that swatch is? So flawless, so perfect, but it's a gorgeous red. And then last but not least, I have Toffee Talk, which I will be swatching right here, which apparently my swatching skills have significantly gone downhill. That's actually like way cooler tone than I was expecting it to be, but I can make it work. I can totally make it work. That is everything that I got in my Ulta haul. What do you guys think was your favorite product, or what do you think a product that we'd love to see me try out on my channel would be? Also, are there any products that you think that I should pick up from Ulta and like maybe do a makeup tutorial with? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.